Today we're going to take a look at an innovative new feature that Powermatic has added to many of their professional grade tools that feature large cast iron tables. It's this black surface called ArmorGlide table coating, and it's an upgrade to their already great cast iron tables. Now you're probably asking yourself, how can they improve on cast iron? After all, cast iron is the gold standard, pardon the pun, gold, for tool tables. Its heavy mass dampens vibration well, it stays flat, stable, and it's very durable. But cast iron does have a disadvantage, specifically its sensitivity to moisture. If a cast iron top is exposed to moisture or other liquids, or it's not properly cleaned regularly, it can rust and develop friction that makes it more difficult to move workpieces across. Which brings us back to Powermatic's new ArmorGlide technology. This industrial-grade, low-friction coating that they're now applying to their cast iron tables that receive the most contact with large wood surfaces, including larger bandsaws, jointers, and table saws. The first thing you'll notice is the texture, smoothness, and color of this surface. It has a very slight texture that is still very smooth. Powermatic states that it requires 50% less effort to push workpieces across this surface as compared to regular cast iron. Now, it's impossible for me to share the sensation on video, and I really don't have a great way to test that claim. But I can tell you solid wood and other materials slide so easily across it. It's very cool. Less resistance can mean more control when you're making curve cuts on the bandsaw, but it can also help you get a better feel for the resistance created by the blades on your jointer or table saw. And the matte black color really sets off your workpiece over the surface and eliminates the glare you can get from a polished cast iron table. Equally important, if not more important than the low friction benefits, is the ArmorGlide seals the cast iron, making it rust resistant and protecting it from staining. This also eliminates the need for special cleaners, rust removers, or surface waxes. Just wipe off the dust or moisture with a clean, dry cloth. Finally, when it comes to durability, Powermatic states that they made 250,000 passes over this surface and it showed minimal wear. Now, it is possible to scratch this surface, but light surface scratches will not affect the performance of the ArmorGlide. So if you're in the market for a new professional grade bandsaw, table saw, or joiner, take a look at Powermatic's tools that feature ArmorGlide.